Okay, guys, we are in the sea. Sunset is going on, and we are going down. So, guys, you're going there. It's thick forest. Let's see what kind of a tree that is. So, we had a very big discussion there, a debate like never saying it is thick, and we were saying it's not. Okay, so let's figure out what. This is Casuarina. Okay, guys, they collected woods and they're going and they're taking woods from this area. So, guys, let's see how they're cutting the woods and how they're taking and where they're taking it to.
See, these are all those trees only. Whatever.
Okay, guys.
Yeah, these are like pine.
Yes, guys.
Yeah, sure. Even they look.
అన్న ఇవే మొక్కలు ఇవే మొక్కలు ఇప్పుడు వీటిని కట్ చేసి ఎక్కడికి పంపిస్తుంది
Oh, and you got one. What is that?
This is the branch. These look like
kind of pine tree but it's not pine.
Not the exact pine, but
Okay, it's a category of pine.
yeah.
Might be in the family of pine,
Yeah,
guys.
it looks like.
Guys, if you guys know what exactly it is,
comment
please let us
below.
know.
We are confused and we are.
Yeah, you're still searching. What kind of a plant is this? Bro, use Google Lens. Yeah, you will get it.
Yes,
Yeah.
I have Google Lens. Local language చెరువు చెట్లు
Uh-huh.
but we'll know the exact meaning and there is the owner so we can talk to him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, this is such an amazing sunset. Wow, I love your yellow dress. It is really popping, right? It is like really beautiful, guys. This is an amazing forest-like thing. If I really wish to go inside all these places.
Please
Let's.
speak to him and then go
Yeah.
inside and explore. It's so nice. I don't know what is it.
Okay, finally.
Changing names.
Spelling I don't know. It's Casuarina equisetifolia. I don't know.
Guys, it is Casuarina equisetifolia. Let's ask what is the usual name of it.
Local name we know, guys. Local name we got it.
Yes, guys.
Take the photos, man.
Wow, it is sun setting in in between these. Oh wow, beautiful. Nev and Rix is talking to the owner.
This farm owner.
రోడ్ సెంట్రింగ్ అంటే మనం బిల్డింగ్ కడతారుగా
Uh-huh.
బిల్డింగ్ సెంట్రింగ్
Okay.
అమ్మా
These things are used for two things mainly. One is for paper, and the other one is for building basement.
Okay.
So they will
Building
send-
centering, guys.
Okay.
Okay.
So these are used for construction purposes.
Yeah, and also paper. Paper. This is coming as paper. Yeah, paper fiber.
Uh-huh.
They take
కానీ
from
మీరే
this.
మొక్కలు
Milla?
మీలాండ్ ఇది
రైతులు వేస్తారు మేమేమో ఖరీదు చేస్తాం
okay.
అమ్మా
So farmers will already plant these plants and all. They come and buy these plants and they take these plants
Uh-huh.
and they export. They get money from other people.
Okay.
So it's like that.
Where does
There
it
is something
explode?
that is happening.
Uncle.
పర్వాలేదమ్మా
That's
So they're coming here to get it. I think I should move, otherwise this tractor will. Guys, look at the tire. Oh. Huh?
There are people still
Cutting the woods. Okay. Guys, amazing sight.
They're cutting it into this.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Guys, these are actually farmed. Actually, they grow these trees to cut it down. Because this is a business way of using. I don't know. This is kind of a business here.
think
because I've seen these kind of trees on the way everywhere.
Lot are there.
Lot are there just like this. So I think this is the kind of business here which they cut it and they'll sell it out for as he said, construction works and making the center and all those kind of things. I think this is exactly used for that purpose.
Yeah,
And
logo
also
and
making
back.
papers. Yeah. So guys, let's ask them.
They're gonna kill me.
I just missed. Otherwise I would have. Casuarina అనే మొక్క.
Casuarina. Yes, you was right.
Right, guys. Her research is right. They grow these in everywhere.
Everywhere.
of this Andhra Pradesh.
So they buy lands and
he
cultivate.
grow it. Yeah, he almost bought around 16 acres until now.
Okay.
And it takes almost around 4 to 7 years
Uh-huh.
to let the trees grow,
Grow.
so that they will give this much thick bundles of trunk.
Uh-huh.
Just
6 years.
It's nice.
4 to 7 years.
4 to 7
So I
years.
was asking, what will you do this 4 to 7 years? us, and he's like, we'll search for these kind of lands in other places, and even getting money, these tree barks going through all the process, they'll have to wait a lot more time to get a whole thing happening. And he's saying we can go and see the whole process
Of cutting.
we can see the whole process, and we can see they're removing skin of these things.
Okay. Okay, guys, let's see how it is done then.
This is a very huge process, and I didn't expect these trees will be used. Trunk will be
And
used,
guys, the whole thing was bought for 22 lakhs. The investment was 22 lakhs. And now we have to see accordingly how much profit we will get from these paper mills and all.
Okay, guys, let's see the process of how they cut the trees here. So this is a business over here, and I've seen it in a lot of areas, as I told you guys before. And let's see. So guys, this is the area. This is how many acres? 16 acres, guys. 16 acres here. I think they just finished their job and they're going home. Yeah. So guys, let's go there and check it out. Actually, we missed it, right? Shish, we would have seen how they cut the whole tree. So guys, they're actually doing it really neat. They're going like square by square. I can see that. Hi, Bhaiya.
This is so good how they're doing, no? They properly cut it.
This is very smooth, this area.
Oh, guys. This is so they're going by, this. Can you see the square? This is like a tennis ground, guys. That much, the exact square I can see. Ground. Yeah. We are inside a small forest, guys. Yeah. If anybody wants to take a horror film, please come. Horror film, yeah.
If I run through this, it will be very scary.
Yeah, guys, look at the thickness of those forests.
There is no light, nothing. It's just forest.
This is called Behind the Woods.
Yeah. Is that the joke that you want to say this many days? No, right? Okay, that will come later. It's okay. Crack it later.
I want to go inside this and explore. I feel like that.
They won't work after this amount of time. It's already getting dark.
Becoming darker and it's like a dense forest, guys. Trust me.
Guys, this is a really thick forest, guys. Our GoPro ran out of battery. Now we are going through iPhone, guys. I just snatched the iPhone from Zoe's hand, and she's really pissed because she missed the photography.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, everyone hide and then we'll find everyone.
Yeah, you won't find anyone after that. You will be lost. Guys, they're moving all the leaves from there of all the trees that they cut. So they cut the trees from here, guys. Yes, guys, there might be snakes also. Be careful. I'm wearing my boots. What? What?
Confirmation of no snakes.
No snakes.
We are safe here.
No snakes?
No snakes. They have experience now. They are saying there are no snakes.
Okay, guys, look at these. So this is a full stretch of this tree, guys. So this is this big tree that is lying right there, guys. Yes, guys. Wow, this is so beautiful.
I want to live here one day with a tent.
Okay, guys, look at this plant is cut. This tree is cut from this area.
Bro, just look behind you. It's so freaking dense.
Okay.
For the forest.
I want to see some animals inside this.
Yeah, definitely. If today is full moon, they're going to be wolves here. Yeah, guys.
They're gonna dig like this and cut, guys.
Oh, they're gonna dig like this and cut like this, guys.
You can see all the trees are planted in rows.
Yeah, guys. It's all in a row, so you can see it, right? No, you don't go like that. Guys, this is all planted in rows.
Good guys, so good.
A little smoke effect,
Oh
it
my
will be
God.
great.
I can see nothing.
This is
from
so
here.
beautiful, bro. This is actually absolutely beautiful. You can actually take a movie out of this place.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Spoiling this kind of nice, good trees.
Oh, God.
Very sentimental.
Sorry, guys. It was like that is a joke.
That's a socially relevant point.
Buffalo chasing you here.
Oh, my God, guys. Is there any buffaloes here? Guys, let's go. Come on.
Let's go, quick.
Guys, it's getting dark, so we're going back. Yeah, they're still arranging the place, guys. Most of the workers left.
There is infinity space for them to cut.
Yeah.
Lifelong they can keep cutting these trees. It's that dense.
Guys, we just witnessed cutting a 7-year-old tree, guys. All over here, guys. When I'm seeing it, there is some trees really small, okay, like really thin, or like.
Yeah, this
And there is this thick one. I think these are like, you know, this one is so much malnutrition. What?
I just cut one tree, guys. Oh my god,
guys, nowadays-
underweight tree.
Nowadays, this online classes are happening, so no need of much books. And
You
all
get out of
those
the
things. So it's better to. So if they stop that on everything, go to digital thing, then their business will be down, guys.
Oh my God,
I'm
guys.
thinking like that whether it will happen.
Guys, we almost explored this place. We were really late.
Yes.
Because the workers just left.
We go back. How do
So
we go
we
back?
are going back. Search
are
your
lost.
lost. Place how to go back. Come on. Please be careful.
And these leaves will be fed by some animals.
Guys, our car is there. We're going there.
Bye. Anne, bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Guys, we just came from that forest over there. It was a huge hike. Wow, guys, it was really amazing. So we got into the Fortuner and we are getting back to Tony, guys.